let's understand how to navigate from one section to another section within the same page. Let's say I have a heading 2 with the text top, then I have a paragraph with 100 words. So let me write 100 dummy words with lorem 100 shortcut. If I save the file, you can see I have a heading which is top and I have a paragraph. I can scroll the page to go to bottom and I can scroll the page to go to up or top. So let's say without scrolling, I want to go to another section of the page. So for that, let me create another section. For that, let's say here I have another H2 with the text bottom. Save the file. You can see the heading bottom and it has a image source C and give a path of an image which is pic.jpg. Let me cut the alternative text for this moment. Then let's say we have another paragraph and it has a lorem 50 dummy words. Save the file. You can see in the bottom we have a image which is very big, so let me reduce the width of the image. Let's say the width of the image is 300 pixel, so still it is too much. Let me make this 200. Now it looks better. So we have two sections, top section which contains a heading and a paragraph, then we have bottom section which contains an image and a paragraph. So to navigate between this top section and bottom section, we are using this scroll bar. Let's say I want to get navigated to the bottom section by clicking on an element. So how will I do that? We can do that, but before that we have to give the sections some name. So we have this top section. We can give a name to this section by using the anchor tag. So I'm gonna write the anchor tag and I will not give the href attribute. I'm gonna cut this. Instead of that, I'm gonna give an attribute which is name, and the name would be top portion, and I'm gonna give this bottom section a name which will be bottom portion. If I save the file, you can see nothing happens. So after this h2 tag, let me write the anchor tag again, and in the href attribute I'm gonna write the hash symbol, and inside the opening and closing anchor tag I'm gonna write the text go to bottom. If I save the file, you can see a link go to bottom. So this hash means do not navigate. We write this hash when we don't know where to navigate, and this also means do not navigate to another page, stay on the same page. So if I click on this go to bottom, nothing happens actually. So we want, by clicking on this go to bottom button or link, we should go to the bottom section. So remember, we gave the bottom section a name which is bottom portion. I'm gonna copy this bottom portion, the name of the bottom section, and after hash I'm gonna paste that. Remember that after hash this text should match the name value, otherwise this will not work. So if I save the file, now if I click on this go to bottom link, I am navigated to the bottom portion or bottom section. So how cool is that? We don't have to use the scroll bar, but just by clicking on this go to bottom button, we are navigating to the bottom of the page. So here after the bottom section heading, I'm gonna write the anchor tag again, and in the href attribute I'm gonna write the hash. Then what we named the top section, yes, the name was top portion. I'm gonna copy the name, and after hash I'm gonna paste that, and in the opening and closing anchor tag I'm gonna write go to top. And if I save the file, you can see above the image we have a text which is go to top, and it is a hyper text. So if I click on this text, we are navigated to the top portion or top section. We didn't have to use the scroll bar. So if I click on this go to bottom, we are navigated to the bottom section. If I click on this go to top, we are navigated to the top section. How cool is that?